Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Welcome to this episode where we will be making our coleslaw. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, I have chili flakes, I have mayonnaise, and I have mustard. So we need to I'm gonna just use a little bit, that is enough, and I'm going to be chopping into smaller For me, I like the cabbage to be like this small. When I'm making the coleslaw, I need them to be this small. Like guys, do you always peel your carrots or not? For me, it's a must. I must peel my carrots. So I should like to know, do you always peel your carrots before you make them, or do you just cook them or prepare them like that? I'm peeling them the traditional way. First things first, you need to test your carrots. You have to test it. You have to test it to know if it is good or tasteless. Mine is really good. So I'm gonna use a grater to test my carrots. Let's try. You need to be very careful with your fingers, because this small. So let's go to work. Guys, the last one that we have here is the purple cabbage. So remember, I had white cabbage, carrot, and then the purple cabbage. Just like the white cabbage, I'm gonna chop it into smaller pieces also. Remember, you need to wash your vegetables first before you start. So I'm gonna chop it into smaller pieces. Patience, guys. Remember, patience is So here we are, guys. We done with all the vegetables that we need for this, and white cabbage, purple cabbage, and the carrots. So we need to mix them. Put chili flakes, guys. I love chili flakes. I put chili flakes. I will put mayonnaise as much as you can want, guys. As much as you can want. Mustard, yellow mustard. This one you don't need to add as much as the mayonnaise. I have a lemon, and I will squeeze inside. Oh, too much. Mix everything nicely. After you've mixed all the sauces together, you put them. The sauce smells like French fries. I don't know why. Look how colorful this is. It's very colorful. Mix everything together. Okay guys, look at how colorful my salad is. Look at how colorful it is. You can see it's very colorful, and everything is mixed up together. Make sure you add that. This looks so yummy. So yummy, guys. It looks so yummy. And for me, guys, I will serve it with some hot protein. Any protein. If it's chicken, if it's beef, if it's pork. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So it's time to taste. We're gonna put on our plate. This is so delicious, guys. You can comment down below, how do you think it's looking for me? I think it's really colorful and I love colorful things, and I think it's very delicious. Guys, let me know if you are the one making it. What could you add in the salad? Let me know. And also let me know what would you eat this one with. For me, I'm gonna eat this with some chicken. I made chicken already. I'm gonna have this with some chicken. It's so good. It tastes way better than any other coleslaw I've had. Yeah, that's true. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try it. Until next time, guys, really consider to subscribe and like. Until next time, guys, bye bye.